Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving you own the phone and preparing it. Make sure you have Samsung or Google account credentials and proof of purchase. This matters if you need official support. Charge the handset above half and connect to Wi-Fi so remote options can work. Once ready, attempt only official recovery routes tied to those accounts. These respect security and preserve data when possible. If accounts aren't available, be aware the next steps may require erasure and proof of ownership. Next, focus on sanctioned recovery paths. Use Samsung's Find My Mobile to remotely unlock with your Samsung account. This is the safest, account-based method. If that's not possible and data must be protected, Google's Find My Device can remotely erase the phone. Understand erasing deletes user data. If you still have partial access, back up with Samsung's Smart Switch to preserve photos and settings. Make sure you understand that factory reset is data destructive, so only proceed when you to finish, restore your backup after a reset or successful unlock, then set a strong password and re-enable biometric options for convenience. Make sure Find My Mobile and Google Recovery are active to avoid repeat lockouts. If remote unlock or account recovery fails, do not use third-party bypass tools. Instead, visit an authorized Samsung service center with government ID and proof of purchase. Technicians can verify ownership and assist lawfully. This protects your data and ensures the device is returned to full.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.